Hi neighbors, what are you doing? How long has it been? A week? I don't know. But the vlog is starting at, oh, wrong turn. Right here, he's waving to me. The man that I passed a while ago. We're starting the vlog at Delta Supply Company Limited. This is not a sponsored ad. So let's park and see what is up. So today I'm with Mrs. Reed, who's accompanying me to do this monumental purchase.
Wow, you're taking this thing real serious.
Yeah, this is the day that I transformed from just Paul the accountant and Paul the, what else is Paul?
The farmer George. You're Paul.
I'm becoming, it's a big step in Paul the farmer George persona. And we're at Delta to finalize the purchase of our weed whacker. Round of applause, everybody.
Woo!
Yeah, so I spoke to them at call around different places, and this is the best place. Apparently they are the official distributor for still, right, the dealer for still. It comes with 6 months warranty, and I already placed my order, so she put together my package, and so I told her when I'm finished with the purchase here, I just need to be able to go and start whacking. So she put everything together. I told her I have zero experience. She said so does she, but she has the knowledge. So let's go. Ready?
Okay.
Ready to go. And the good thing is it comes with, she said I'm supposed to get a demonstration, so that needs to be videoed so that I can refer to it.
Okay.
Of how to mix my thing. Well, I don't know if they'll
Mix.
Yeah, the fuel.
Oh.
Yeah. Apparently there's a ratio of fuel to oil. Interesting.
Okay.
This needs to be seen.
Let's see.
I'm not sure if they'll demonstrate the actual, the motion of the work and them thing, but I'm sure you can tell the button. But let's go. Enough talking. How have you been? Drop it in the comments. Is it dry your side, rainy? Let's go. And here is really nice. Everything is in here. This is just and this is our section over here with all the stills. Alright, these are my guys over here. So this is now going to be mine. Me and my houses.
Special little employee discount, so I tell you 130, you're gonna pay only 127.
Nice, thank you, Ocean. So this is my fuel tank.
Alright, so we show you how you're gonna mix now. So this is why I give this important. This only releases when you squeeze.
Right.
So you squeeze all the way to 100 ml. All the way to 100. So you squeeze to 100 ml. And then by 90 gas, okay?
By 90 fuel?
Yes.
So don't go 87?
The fuel should stop here.
Okay.
Then you throw the 100 ml in this.
So 90 fuel up to here?
Yes. And then the 100 ml. That is the efficient mix. Don't mix them more, don't mix them less. And then mix it. As long as the tools got this,
It good.
the fuel good. If you throw more than this to the ratio of gas, your machine will smoke.
So the fuel can stay in there?
Yes, what we recommend once you finish use it, empty. You're not going to use it back for another 3-4 months.
Empty it. Okay, so it don't sit in there.
This is your auto cut head. It's actually a booming. So when you're changing it, just knock it on the ground, the front come off and you put it back the wall. You can watch YouTube.
You know what you're talking about? I was thinking the same thing. I need to go on a video to see this.
So see your car here? Yes,
Say, no, this is the whisk. Enough whisk. Okay.
Recording. Wow.
So we can check YouTube. Stay can last up to 3 years. That's amount of whisk.
You know all about YouTube. You know YouTube.
Yeah, we do YouTube.
Alright.
3 years worth of whisk. Wow. Okay.
And the strap and everything.
Safety goggles, harness, and it tools to tighten anything you need tightening when changing the head.
Right.
And it's a little screwdriver and you get grease.
Grease, okay. Alright, nice. So, this is it. I want to start. If I can start tomorrow, that'll be good, but I don't know how it will work out. Alright, thanks, sir. Alright, cool.
See how the rain
Stay. Well, I'm excited. Looking forward to getting the job done and learning and all this. So give me a short thing. This is the what? So
Let them just get a technician.
okay. I'm just checking that it work properly. But it's not like a young. It's not like the same engine like a young bike.
It's on the on and off.
Okay, on and off. Okay.
Forward it off.
Back on. Okay.
And you can also use to hold the trigger on full weight.
Okay. For the full rev.
You have to just squeeze them through and put that down to the buck.
Right.
Let everything is still hold it last and it last.
Okay.
So
Okay.
when you start it, our rev out.
Okay.
When you start it for the first time, you do that. You turn this lever, which is the choke lever,
Right.
up the choke. What it does is lock off the butterfly to the ear, so it suck more gas
Okay.
to prime it up to get it started. So you pull this lever until the ear will give you one kick. As you give that one kick, you take it off back right out.
Okay.
So you can't start from that.
Right.
Just prime it. If you continue, you go and flood it. So you have to go pull off this, the whole of the cover here, so pull out the plug and blow it out. Get out the gas out there off the plug. Put it back in, but don't choke it. Just put it on run and start it. If it flood. Now when you do that and you pull it here, the one kick, you take it off, pull it couple times when it start going rev out. So make sure that the
Close to that.
the foot there.
Yeah.
From where you lock it on full rev.
Yeah.
Now you only do is just squeeze this and you go back to high.
Okay. Okay.
Now when you shut it off, but you just push this forward
Yeah.
and you shut.
So I said before you start it all the time, put it on the foot, lock it.
Yes, no, when you start it now for the first time, it warm up.
Yeah.
All you have to do is just turn on and start.
Okay.
You
Okay.
need the choke for one time.
One time.
Yeah,
Alright.
just first time.
We got it.
Alright.
Then you have grease. You're supposed to grease inside of this. Grease
Yeah.
of the gear, the carry some gear inside of it. If you not grease it, when it do grease it, it will mash up the gear.
Oh.
And then nearly about 40,000 a year for that something.
How often is it supposed to do?
Depends how often you're working.
So that how it new now, it grease already?
Yeah man, it come with grease.
Grease,
yeah, man.
alright.
Yeah, but the booklet.
Alright.
You mix the gas with
Yes, you said with the
90 gas.
Yeah, up to this.
100 milliliter of
Yeah.
oil. It right on it.
Right.
5 liter gas.
Right.
I mean, you got the gas station and you buy 5 liter. It's about maybe half.
Oh, okay.
And then I run all of the laptop. If you use this and say I buy 5 liter, you won't get 5 liter. You have to make sure you say fill up to. You have a
Under the
marker,
triangle.
A marker.
Yeah,
right,
yeah,
it's
yeah.
5 liter.
Okay,
So you
okay.
can check your gas station and see tomorrow.
Alright.
Alright, in we go.
Yeah, ready to go now, guys. Tomorrow this time, I should already have some experience on my belt with this. So let's hit the road, guys. Hey neighbors, unfortunately it never worked out that way. I never got to go down to the house to do the walking because Eden got sick. So last week it was Leila who had the chest cough. No, Eden, I think she has like an ear infection. But went to the doctor and it's not confirmed as yet. So we're going to have to go back tomorrow to see if what we think it is, if it's actually that. And so they can start treatment. So that would set me back a couple of days, but it's fine. When I get the chance to do this, I'll do it. The reason I see me doing all this is because mosquitoes are out here since the rainfall. So I think for the next couple of weeks at least, you'll be getting only one vlog a week. That's the realistic expectation to give to you. So let's say Sundays for the next couple weeks. Sundays only, no Thursday vlog. Because there's just a lot happening right now. These mosquitoes, man. But as I told you before, and we're telling you again, if you want to be more up to date, more abreast for our day-to-day stuff, follow us on Instagram at Me and My House. A lot more things going on there. We're putting together more content for that space as well. So you can see what we're doing during the day, and also little snips of our activities. Man. Right, so until then, neighbors, I hope you have been good. Hope you will continue to support us. If you want to, again, monetarily support us, you can send us something on PayPal, or you can email us at Mr. Resource. If you want to support our content, what we do, if you want us to quit our jobs, quit our 9-to-5s, and just start publish content like every day. Because some of you saying we're not getting enough content over here, but yeah, we have work and we have bills. YouTube don't pay the bills that much. So send us some at PayPal or email us, and then we can get to the point where we're just like, you know what, full-time content creators. But until then, we appreciate you just watching, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Alright, going to get out of these mosquitoes now. But I'm excited about the weed whacking journey, and it will be fun. I will learn, I'll get exercise, and you'll be coming along for the ride. So neighbors, have a great week. It's been good checking in. Until next time, big up from me and the host. Bye.